Hey there, food lovers! It's Mimi here! Today I'm taking you on a magical culinary adventure with an epic beef Wellington, creamy garlic mashed potatoes, and a luscious red wine sauce. Perfect for a Christmas celebration that'll impress everyone. First up, let's prep our star, the beef tenderloin. Season it with salt and pepper and give it a nice sear in hot olive oil until it's beautifully browned on all sides. Set it aside to cool while we work on the next step. Now, for the mushroom duxelles. Sauté finely chopped mushrooms, garlic, and fresh thyme in a pan until all the moisture evaporates. The aroma? It's heavenly. Let this cool too. Time to assemble. Lay out thin slices of prosciutto on plastic wrap, slightly overlapping. Spread the mushroom mixture evenly over the prosciutto. Brush the beef with Dijon mustard, place it on the mushroom layer, and roll it up tightly. Wrap in plastic wrap and chill for 30 minutes. Next, the puff pastry. Roll it out and place our wrapped beef in the center. Seal the edges, trim any excess, and brush it all over with an egg wash. Chill again for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the Wellington for 40 minutes until the pastry is golden and the beef reaches medium rare perfection at 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, just imagine the flavors. While that's baking, let's make the garlic mashed potatoes. Boil peeled and cubed potatoes with garlic until tender. Mash them up with butter, heavy cream, salt, and pepper. So creamy, so delicious. Finally, the red wine sauce. Sauté finely chopped shallots in butter. Then add the red wine and reduce by half. Stir in beef stock and simmer for 5 minutes. Whisk in a bit of flour to thicken and finish with butter. Perfection in a sauce. Now, the grand reveal. Slice the beef Wellington and serve it with a generous scoop of garlic mashed potatoes and a drizzle of that rich red wine sauce. Maybe add some roasted veggies too. Look at that! Holiday magic on a plate. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share this recipe with your fellow foodies. Leave a comment below telling me how your beef Wellington turned out. Happy holidays and happy cooking!
If you enjoyed this adventure, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic story. Your support means the world to me. I've got more awesome content coming your way. Stay tuned for more adventures, tips, and fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your enthusiasm keeps me going. Jecht DIY video signing off. Take care, everyone.